Hi everyone, my name is Rachel Boyle. I work in the admissions office and I'm here to talk about open houses. Open house is an exciting time. It's a chance for you to meet your new classmates, see yourself living and thriving here on campus. So before you arrive, take some time to look through the day's agenda. Think about what's going to be going on. Do you want to go to the student panel? Do you want to talk to other admitted students? Do you want to learn more about study abroad or your research options on campus? BU will offer an open campus portion of the day where you can choose from a variety of sample classes, tours, and all different experiences to make sure you get the most out of your day. And come ready to mingle. At Open House, you'll meet many current students who are eager to tell you all about their experiences at BU. So come with your questions, get ready to ask them all about what it's like to be a student here. There's also going to be a Student Activities Expo, so you can check out all the fun ways to get involved on campus socially, academically, and of course, make sure you come hungry. Lunch is provided on us, so take the time to check out our state-of-the-art dining halls, sample the food, do some people watching, and chat with a few different current students. Campus tours will also run throughout the afternoon, so you'll have many different chances to see your school or college, potential residence halls, and where you can access student advising and career services. If you want to talk to someone about financial aid, there will be appointments available for you to do so, and always make sure to share your experiences on social media with #BUOpenHouse to connect with your new classmates. We hope to see you at Open House soon.